The Kampala Pizza Week is back, and for all you pizza lovers, you have an opportunity to visit over 50 participating restaurants for different pizza deals. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enock and Jaqi Season 2. Last week on Travel with Enock and Jaqi, we explored Uganda as a world of amazing waterfalls. And we tasted some Indian food. This week on Travel with Enock and Jaqi, we explore cycling as a workout activity. And we show you how pizza is made. You are still watching Uganda's #1 travel show on Magic One TV. Travel with Enock and Jaqi runs every Wednesday at 8:30 and repeats Sundays at 5 p.m. You can also catch the show online on our YouTube channel, Enock and Jaqi. My name is Enock Nsubuga, and the show starts right now.
Bush Baby Lodge is located on a family-run farm and offers comfortable accommodation, dining, and recreational facilities, with 10 rooms which can be outfitted with single, double, or bunk beds depending on the guest's needs. All these rooms have inside bathrooms with showers and hot water. Here's a room tour by yours truly. It's been a while since we got you seeing rustic, contemporary, Africanized spaces. And today we are in Mukono.
Yes, at a place called Bush Baby.
Bush Baby, I love the name. So the moment I walked in, the thing I spotted that I love the most is the use of color. Okay. The entire room is white. The beauty with using all white in a space is it makes the room look really big and it brings in a lot of light. As soon as you walk in at the entryway, there's this hook that Enock loved very much. He was able to put his jumper right on one of those hooks. And as you walk in still, at the entryway, we have that little shelf. Very cute. The way the bed is made, it's a custom-made bed clearly. When I look at it, it doesn't have the traditional headboard that comes with the bed looking a particular way. So it allows the curtains on the other side to make the white bed headboard with the white curtains that just match. And also the other thing that I love about this room, on the bed, he loves the white on the bed. I love the bed scarf at the end of the bed. So at the foot of the bed, we have this nice African runner that is really cute. You can call it a throw, whatever it is you want to call it, but it has added a lot of class and style and character. I love the fabric on the curtains. It's linen. They're very clean. And I also love the bulb in here, the lampshade. It's really cute. It's simple. This room being practically all white, there was a smart way to bring in color. These art pieces, they're just 3. I always tell you there's power in 3. 1 big one and then 2 complementary ones. The 2 small ones and the big one in the middle gives it balance. But also now we tap into the color orange. We still see the browns and in there, and the different colors in these art pieces that bring life and character to this room. I also love the tile on the floor. It's cute, it's just calm.
Simple.
It's simple, yes.
Yeah.
And then finally, I think the best part of this room. Clearly, this toilet has a beautiful shape. And then beside it, on the towel holder, you have the white towels. They still keep the white theme going in the bathroom. And then the most important thing in this bathroom, it's the tile. It's called a backsplash. It has orange. It has different, like it makes you see patterns. Yeah. So that is a backsplash, and it's a very cool way to show class, style, and elegance. This room is spacious. There is not too much. There's a simple mirror. There's a simple white sink, and then the backsplash does all the talking and the shape of the toilet, and that's it. You can't beat that. Simple is everything. Simplicity speaks a lot of stuff. But this room was the style you can call boho, you can call rustic, but it's minimalist, it's contemporary. It's a mix of ideas. When you walk in, it's very modern, but simple.
There is something special with eco-friendly spaces. Don't you think so? Still to come, our travel experience of the week, the people we meet, and our top place to eat this week.
This week, we return to Bush Baby Lodge in Mukono to explore cycling as a workout activity. To be fit and healthy, you need to be physically active. Regular physical activity can help protect you from serious diseases such as obesity, heart disease, cancer, mental illness, diabetes, and arthritis. Riding a bicycle regularly is one of the best ways to reduce your risk of health problems associated with a sedentary lifestyle. Cycling is a healthy, low-impact exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It is fun, cheap, and good for the environment, something that our hosts at Bush Baby Lodge have mastered. A bike tour at Bush Baby Lodge will see you enjoy the scenic backdrops of Mukono Hills and valleys on a bike. They have mapped scenic trails that they recommend for their guests like they did for us. Cycling is mainly an aerobic activity, which means that your heart, blood vessels, and lungs all get a workout. You will breathe deeper, perspire, and experience increased body temperature, which will improve your overall fitness levels. Thanks for watching. That was our travel experience of the week. Special thanks to our hosts, Bush Baby Lodge in Mukono. The Easter holiday is here, and it's only fair that we show you how your favorite cocktail is done. Follow us to Jinja Sailing Club as we chat with the cocktail master. He is so good with cocktails that he has invented his own. Watch.
My name is Margarita Samuel, a barman at the Jinja Sailing Club. Here we are going to do a blue broken margarita. What I need for that, I need a gold tequila and I need a blue liquor. I need some crushed ice. Secondly, I need some lemon and I need some salt. Some lemon juice, put in some tequila, then a blue liquor. I'll put some dash of sweeteners. Our blue broken margarita is ready to be served on the table. It's totally broken and you have to hold it with the two hands in order to enjoy.
So Sam, tell me, why the salt?
The moment you go for a shot of tequila, you need some salt as well as a lemon. In fact, this broken margarita, it's a signature cocktail. It was designed by me. As terms and rules for barmen, they tell you after making like 10 cocktails, you have to come out with your own signature cocktails. I'm going to make a Long Island. It goes with 5 liquors. What I need is lemon, as well as I need some sweeteners, some ice cubes. I put 30 ml per liquor. because of the color of Coca-Cola, that's why we call it long iced tea.
The Kampala Pizza Week returned last week and we will be on until Sunday. As a pizza lover, you have the opportunity to visit over 50 participating restaurants around Kampala to enjoy different pizzas and pizza deals. Here at Travel with Enock and Jaqi, we take you back to Jinja Sailing Club restaurant to show you how a pizza is made. Enjoy the experience. Pizza is a savory dish of Italian origin consisting of a usually round, flattened base of leavened wheat-based dough topped with tomatoes, cheese, and often other various ingredients, which is then baked at high temperature, traditionally in a wood-fired oven. We traveled to Jinja at Jinja Sailing Club for a pizza making experience. Watch.
You're most welcome to our pizza station. What he's doing right now is he's going to roll the dough ball. So after rolling, he's going to put suji on the sheet and then he will get his base to put on the what? On the scooper. After putting on the scooper, he will put the topping on the top of the base and then he finishes it with cheese and then oregano. What he has put is the sugi. Now he's putting the concassé. Now he's putting what we call the pizza topping. Others they use mozzarella, others they use cheddar cheese. Ours is pizza topping. Now we are putting the what we call shallots, others they call it onions. Now we are putting what we call green pepper. It is creating a difference on the pizza for visual appeal. Now the tomato slices, you feel the pizza is coming out nicely. It's looking very nice. Now he's putting what we call oregano to bring out more flavor.
Okay.
Now we are finishing it with sweet corn, which is yellow in color. From there, we move to our oven. Right there is shaking to see whether it moves on the sheet or it is stuck. Right there, done.
Happy Pizza Week, pizza lovers. And for you, our viewer, thanks for watching. Special thanks to Syncap Media, our production house, Mukono Uganda, our logistics partners, Africa Runners, our transport partners, and the Val Guide, our publishing department. For more travel content, please visit our travel website, www.valguide.co.za. Happy Easter and see you next week on the same channel.